Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's create a professional business advertisement using custom shape. Start by setting a clean gray background. Pick the custom shape tool and choose a rectangle with rounded corners. Create a large card section on the right side. Change its fill to white. Now add another smaller rounded rectangle at the top. Fill it with blue to highlight the title. Insert a circle shape to display the company logo area, and also add a soft shadow to make it pop. Use arrow shapes to point towards key details. Align all shapes neatly with equal spacing and add a headline in bold typography. Insert contact info below. Add subtle icons